How do you sell courses online without having your own online course? Well, I'm going to use this example of somebody with wanting to start a garden but doesn't have seeds or an online course. So here's you want to start a garden and you want to start selling the plants and taking the harvest and taking the seeds from that harvest and creating another garden. You want to have a garden business. The problem is you don't have any seeds, or in this example, you don't have any digital products. Just imagine the garden being you selling online courses, but you don't have an online course to sell. In this case, the gardener. So what do? Well, what you can do is you can go to a person like me, or anybody that does this, and let's say that they have a greenhouse. They say, okay, well listen, I've already got plants growing over here. I've already got digital courses that work, digital products that are proven, and listen, you can just buy these pre-grown or pre-developed plants and you can put those over in your garden and you can take full profit from the harvest, and you don't have to seed the garden, you don't have to nurture and grow the plants. I've already done all that for you. If you do sell these plants to other people, we'll even keep them nurtured and keep them healthy, and we'll take care of your customers for you since you're new to the whole thing anyway. And then you can start selling these plants right away because we've already created. But all you have to do is just pay $21 a month and we'll take care of all the service. We'll make sure that the plants stay growing, stay healthy, stay good. So I call this my profit loop model. Whether you want to teach somebody how to sell digital courses, digital membership programs, or you even want to teach somebody how to create their own profit loop system, then that's what we can help you with. Basically like this again. And you can do the same thing too once you have your own plants grown and ready to go. Okay, so let's look at this again. You want to start a garden, but you don't have any seed. You want to start selling digital courses, but you don't have any digital products, but you still want to take advantage of the e-learning industry. You want to take advantage of the profits that you can make online. You want an online business, but you still got to figure all that out. Well, while you're learning how to create courses and memberships and the profit loop model, you can use the courses that I've created. You can use those and start selling those right away. You can take 100% of the profit, and in that time you will be learning, because you'll have the course, you'll learn how to create an online course. You'll learn how to create a membership program. You'll learn how to do this profit loop model. You're also earning right away too. You're also helping other people learn. This is how this works. You would just pay for the course. Once you have it one time, then you can start selling them right away. And then you just pay $21 per month to the greenhouse, and then they'll take care of all of your customers. They'll keep all the plants healthy. They'll do all of that for you. That's how you can do that. Go to somebody else that already has it, like what we have. You can just pay for the product and then pay a monthly fee, put your customers inside of that community, and everything gets taken care of. If you want to learn more about this, I've got a free community. Just go to makeonce.com. There's only thing you can do is press one button and it takes you to a free community. What I'm going to be doing is I've got 3 different courses here that I've already created that you can instantly start reselling, and this is going to be launching in May. So you've got between now and May, and you can just join Make Once Pro at $149 per month. And here's the cool thing. If you join at $149 per month, you're going to get access to all of these courses that other people would normally have to pay $3.99 plus 21 a month, or $7.99 plus 21 a month if they want to get both of these courses and be able to offer them and make full 100% off of this. Or if you got the Apex, it will teach you how to do all of these. You get all of these and you just pay $9.99 one time, and then you've got 3 products that you can sell, and you can instantly start getting 100% profit of the $3.99, $7.99, or $9.99. All you have to do is just pay the $21 a month, and then I put them in my Make Once Elite community, and I take care of all the live calls, I take care of all the live training, I take care of all the support, I take care of all the customers, but you instantly have 3 products that you can sell. In May, when I launch and this thing goes live, you would have to pay $3.99 and then 21 bucks a month. Right now, if you join Make Once Pro before I launch in May, you just have to pay $149 per month, and then the $21 per month, you just have to keep an active $21 per month membership, which is cheaper than Netflix. And if you pay that, then you'll have access to sell all of these. I created all the programs. I made sure that they work already. I've spent 15 years figuring this stuff out so that you don't have to, kind of like the example up here. The greenhouse, they had to plant the seeds, nurture the seeds, make sure the seeds would grow, and make sure that they're good, healthy plants that people would actually buy. You can come over and just buy those plants, sell them, and make full profit off of the harvest. And then you can also take all of your customers and put them inside of our program for $21 a month. And we make sure that they have all the answers, the service, the community, the support, the updated courses, the live training calls. You get the best of both worlds. Plus you get to learn how to do all of this stuff so that eventually you don't need the greenhouse anymore and you can sell and do your own thing. All you have to do is keep your $21 a month membership fee, which is nothing. I mean, you sell one of these and you're in profit mode. If you get Apex, then you get Elevate and Ignite. If you get Elevate, then you get Elevate and Ignite. If you get Ignite, then you just can sell Ignite. So, and then I teach you how to set this whole thing up. You have the whole process and you instantly have products that you can sell. The special right now is between now and May when I launch for $149, I'll give you all of these products. You only have to pay the $21 a month, and then you instantly can start selling these. But after in May, then you would have to pay the $3.99 or the $7.99 or the $9.99, just like buying the plants one time and then you can keep selling them and take the seed and keep reselling it, right? Ignite teaches you how to start online courses. Elevate teaches you how to start memberships, and Apex teaches you how to do profit loops. And then my Make Once Pro community, we cover everything. We talk about all forms of digital marketing. I just wanted to share this with you because a lot of people, they want to sell online courses, but they don't have an online course, they don't know how to do it, or they want to teach people how to make money online with online courses or memberships or this profit loop model, but they don't know how to do it themselves. Well, now you have the opportunity where you can do it yourself and you can learn, but somebody else that already has the experience can teach and help you with all of that until you get your gears together and you get everything figured out. While you're making money, you can learn the process and somebody else can take care of the customers in the meantime, and all you would have to pay is the $21 per month membership fee, and all of your customers get taken care of. So it's a heck of a good deal. This is kind of like a franchise model. Bookstores do this all the time. They don't write the books, they don't create the books, but they get to sell the books. Target, almost all the products in Target, they're not Target's products, they sell them at Target's store. Those products, when somebody buys them, they have to go to the person that made the product to get the service. So it's your ability to do this in the digital world, but the cool thing is there's no cost of goods. You get a really high profit margin. I mean, you make 100% profit on a digital sale. So you're making $3.99, $7.99, or $9.99, and all you're having to do is pay $21 a month to make sure they get all of the service, they get all of the education, they get all of the support, everything that they need. So it's a heck of a good deal. You can go over to MakeOnce.com. I have a free course over there that you can start learning from. I have this Mastery Hub free training that's coming out. It's a 5-step training that goes through everything here. But I wanted to share this with you so that you knew this was available and you can take advantage of this special that I got going on now. So again, if you join Make Once Pro, if you go to MakeOnce.com, it'll take you to the free community. You can learn how to join Make Once Pro from there. Or you can just go to Skool.com/MakeOnce. You can just go down in the description and find it. But as long as you're a Make Once Pro member, I'm gonna just give you these. So you're literally saving $1,000 or $800 or $400, and you can sell all of these products right away. It's up to you. You're saving $1,000, you know, and you get all of these products that you can sell and then learn from. All you gotta pay is the $21 a month. Hopefully this helped you see how you can actually start doing this right away and take advantage of this industry, because, you know, it's supposed to get well into the trillions of dollars. Right now it's over $1 billion a day. Being able to start jumping in here, learning it, selling it, and making money from it can be a lot of fun. I'll see you over there. Hope this helped you. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments.